In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the MailerLite logo from your communication materials. This can help in providing a more personalized and professional touch to your emails and newsletters. Whether you're a business looking to maintain a consistent brand presence or an individual who wants to add a personal flair to your messages, these steps will guide you through the process. Let's begin by heading over to the MailerLite dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the MailerLite website. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the MailerLite dashboard. If you're not familiar with how to access the dashboard, it's simply your main hub where you manage all the features offered by MailerLite. With the dashboard open, the next step is to locate the account settings. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your MailerLite experience. Look for an option, usually in the top right corner, that says Account Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a different section where you can configure your account to better suit your needs. Once you're in the account settings, look for Brand Styles. This is an important section if you want to customize how your emails look. Click on Brand Styles, and you'll be directed to a page specifically dedicated to branding options, which includes the ability to remove or update the logo associated with your emails. On the Brand Styles page, you'll find the option to upload a new image. This is crucial if you plan on replacing the MailerLite logo with your own. Click on Upload Image, and select the image file you wish to use from your computer. Make sure it's a high-resolution file in an appropriate format, such as PNG or JPEG, to ensure it looks good across all devices. Now, if your main objective is just to remove the existing MailerLite logo without replacing it, select all the existing logo elements by clicking on Select All. This action will highlight all the elements that you can either modify or delete. Once you've selected all the appropriate elements, it's time to remove them. You'll find an option that says Delete One. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. This will remove the currently selected logo from your templates. After you've clicked Delete the first time, confirm your decision by proceeding to click Delete once more, which will finalize the removal process. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the MailerLite logo from your communications. This straightforward process enables you to present your content without external branding unless desired. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your digital communication.